Mini spiked creamsicle shakes. Yes, it's a mouthful. Roll with it. Okay. Oh my God, they're so gorgeous. They're so gorgeous. Okay, ice cream. Bingo. Drop in a couple scoops of ice cream. They're simple, easy to make, and it's fun. And they're cute, okay? Cuteness is what sells, okay? Seriously, vodka. Come behind that with some triple sec. Seriously, think of a baby, okay? They throw up on you, you gotta change the diaper, but they're cute. Orange juice, you know what I mean? So you tolerate that, okay? Think about it. If they weren't cute, they thrown up all over the place, you know what I mean? They can't even clean their own stuff, you know what I'm saying? That's just a nightmare. But they're cute, and these are cute. Cuteness sells, okay? Girls tell me that all the time. You know, you're such a douche, but you're so cute. You know, I get that a lot. I don't get that, seriously. I get, you're ugly and you're douche. I get that a lot, okay? Anyway, sip, sip. We love it. It's good, it's fun, and it's cute, okay? Look at that, huh? Stay tipsy, my friends. Stay tipsy.